Whoa! Shit!
Something there behind that.
Oh my days.
That wicked star, is it me I say? That heartless. The lady look like sugar shop, one old lady. And someone just walk up, come shoot her. Just leave me speechless to see one old lady just get shot like that.
She that buy something I want shop. The one man just come to her and shoot her. I'm a do it for revenge or something.
Him should have shot the grandmother. Him not think twice before him do action. Him not have no heart.
Love alone can govern the whole thing, you see me?
And proper influence too by parents. Because sometimes, believe it or not, we parents, we are the cause of some of our children being that way.
You see a man like that, you know, him not deserve to go to jail. Because if him go to jail, him goodly get bail. Secondly, him not deserve to go to prison. Need a Spanish town GP in a reason. So what you go on? When you go kill a little old man, guess what? We now going to shoot you picker and machete, beat boy till them piss. I just jungle justice.
Cannabis selfie boss this. Yeah man, people make sure to like, subscribe and share all adjusting blame YouTube video them.
So people have to just forget about the hate, illusion and confusion and just find love in our midst of everything. Anytime, just remember love. Love is key. But now them I use love like love as one weapon. So you know that we see. Straight.
Why him gonna do that?
Well, maybe it could be a case of reprisal, or can catch Quack will catch him short, as they would say. Because I don't think it is robbery.
To put a bullet in our old lady head, what she do so? That's crazy. Those people are crazy.
Me see the old man ask to help and one man just come and shoot her. For nothing, out of blues.
But right now, when I look at you, a man shouldn't have a cast that to an old lady. See what I say? That's a foolish to go on this. See what I say? Because right now, you look at you, you have a mother same. You have a mother, you have a sister, you have an auntie same. See what I say? So, a man shouldn't look at you and do that. See what I say?
I think they should implement more community support groups as well as more programs for youths that don't have a job or they don't have anywhere to go more than drugs and gangs.
Well, situation like those now, you know, you have to have the law, strict law to stop those things, you know. People is not bird, you know.
It's like him not come from a mother, drop from space, heartless.
Real. Don't forget Young Money to the world. Global.